This is how we roll. Soldier.
This is the day that the Lord has made. I already been to church and prayed for everybody, and also prayed to the Lord of the storms that he would hold back the rain and the wind. And so far, he has answered my prayer. Thank you, Lord. However, we gonna pitch a wang dang do all night long. Anyway, this is my humble abode, and we're about to eat, drink, and be merry. Have one heck of a good time today. First of all, I want to give a shout out to the brother holding the camera. It's my nigga. Love you, man. Glad you're here. Glad you could do this for me. And I'm really glad, I don't care who know it, that you in my life today. Peace.
This is how we roll. This is how we roll.
Daphne, the hostess, Tina,
cook number one. Right.
Cook number one.
That's right.
Y'all get the deal, right?
I'm the sous chef.
And I am the griller.
The griller?
Yes.
Yeah. Griller from what?
Manila.
And
we are your cooks for the day.
And no, they haven't been drinking yet.
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Michael Baker, Detroit, Michigan. Kevin and Daphne, my brother and sister-in-law. I'm here with my wife Tina, and we just here celebrating the holiday with her. Having a good time. It's like we're gonna have good weather here now.
This is how we roll.
Get live, man. Let's tell some lies. Who first? Tell some lies. Who first?
Damn. I saw a flying saucer last week.
What color was it?
White.
I believe that.
2 weeks ago, I'm at work, and I'm looking out on the 14th floor out on Michigan, out on the lake.
Yeah, we did.
I thought it was a plane coming in, but the light was just standing still. But it was getting closer and closer, but it wasn't flying.
So it was hovering.
It was just hovering over the lake.
So
it was just there. So it was just coming in close off the lake. Now, it's off the lake. It's about
was the water doing stuff?
No, because it's dark on the water. You can't see them on the water, but the light was just over because I thought it was a plane. So I woke up and I'm like, what the heck is that? I'm just looking at it, but it wasn't coming in. I'm telling you, the government out doing some stuff out there on the lake. Because they had all kind of lasers shooting out from
I believe that, man.
That's for real, though. Right before the sun came up, it went back out. There was a boat, when it started getting light, a boat had a cable or something that had this thing up there that was shooting out lasers all around. I saw this. Out on the lake, on Lake Michigan. Right out of the Buckingham Fountain. I took pictures with my job.
Is it cold? Is it ice?
Because I didn't want the government to track me.
Getting by that jump. So the show up for me. Try that jump on the boat, still listening to me. To party, right good shit to make them money. Talk to me, bring them all to see the but you're not the G, trying to get it to everybody, but we by cops, you trying to get to the block, you're about to wish you, the legendary, incendiaries, and all the niggas, from the vocal of the local, I got a pocket full of money, what I'm all that, I quad for a week, who's trying to cross it, I took that girl, out on the floor, my head, my time, if I do it, so,
Listen, this is like the second year we've had this party, and it is really great. We got one of the best DJ and wife combinations in the world. I told him his wife was to promise him something tonight. Yeah. If she hasn't, give her one more drink. Yeah, but again, I'm really, really, really grateful for everybody that's here. Everybody here is family. Y'all are my family, one way or another. You heard the term blended family. If you don't want to be a part of my family, my pastor might see this, so I ain't want to say that on the tape, you know what I'm saying? But at any rate, this is really great. It's really great. Just shows how people feel about you and care about you. And, you know, I want to give some shout outs to everybody.
Now, get back to the music.
Real quick. And then we'll get back to the music, then we'll do this again. You know what I'm saying? We'll have part 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer that lady dress along and got too much booty for her to stay down. Yeah, get that booty, man. Get that booty, man. But anyway, want to give a shout out to the Buffalo Soldiers. My new whole family. And my family on the block. But you know what? More importantly, I want to say a few special things to my sister Susie, my brother Hank, and my brother Carl. Listen, Mom and Dad going to glory, and we all we got. But boy, when we get together, we gonna pitch a wang dang do all night long. I just want to say, if y'all listening, I love you, and we got to keep this thing going. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let the music get back to playing, and we're gonna do this again because I got some more jokes to tell. All right, get me into that.
When the 50-50 raffle?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the 50-50 raffle is after the third Tuesday next week. And I got all the tickets in my pocket. Just need the money for some tickets. But again, thank everybody. Y'all eat. Food is here. Drink. Especially those of y'all that got guys with you and you want to do a little something when you get home. Might as well make it do what it do. So when you get home, you can make it do what it do. Oh, also I want to give a special shout out for Big Willie B. Williams. This is president of Buffalo Soldiers.
Thank you.
This brother here has made a tremendous impact with the Buffalo Soldiers and our non-for-profit leg, the Buffalo Soldiers. We feed the hungry and all that kind of good stuff. But again, I don't want my sis to jump on me, cause she ready to shake her blank, 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 blank. She ready to shake that camel again. So, without further ado, hook 'em up, DJ. We out.
My big sis, you know what? I don't like your ass right now.
I didn't do that. You know who did that?
Who did that?
This is how we roll. Soldier.